Understanding reverse turn in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase in English, reverse turn. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English idioms, this video will shed light on what reverse turn means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. First, let's dive into what reverse turn actually means. This phrase typically refers to a maneuver in driving or in various sports, where one turns in the opposite direction to the current path. It's like doing a U-turn, but with a bit more complexity. The origin of this phrase comes from its literal meaning in automobile driving and has been adopted in other contexts over time. Now, let's see how reverse turn is used in different scenarios. 1. Driving. During the driving test, I had to perform a reverse turn to show my handling skills. 2. Sports. In figure skating, a reverse turn can be quite a challenging maneuver. 3. Metaphorical use. Sometimes, reverse turn is used metaphorically, like, the company took a reverse turn in its policy, which surprised many. It's easy to confuse reverse turn with just reversing or turning back. However, the key here is the combination of reversing and turning, often implying a more complex or strategic move. Remember, it's not just going back, it's changing the direction in a more dynamic way. I hope this video has made the phrase, reverse turn, clearer for you. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the nuances and the contexts in which phrases are used. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to rewind and review this video if you need to. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.